This one is doing hot fact about you. I don't know, I like to draw or music. I really like Eladio Carrión. What is one thing you learn in your first language lab experience? I mean, I didn't go to the lab. I I went late, so I didn't go. How do you feel about speaking and listening to English? I feel very confidence. I'm speaking too much because it is about the the acento, the accent is not really good, but I do my best. Why is improving your English important for you? I mean, it is important because it helps. It helps with being bilingual, being many ways for a job to communicate. If I go to USA, well, I can